So what is up mga tech shop, no? For today's video mga tech shop, I have here a C51 Realme display issue for repair mga tech shop. So according to the customer mga tech shop, the phone, the kid or the son of the owner smashed the phone, and that's why it broke the display or the LCD mga tech shop. So we'll need to replace LCD for this phone. So let's go ahead, remove the SIM card tray and remove the back cover of this phone. And then once you remove the back cover, don't separate the back cover from the frame, because fingerprint flex cable is still attached to the phone mga tech shop. So let's remove the top cover. Let's remove all the screws that hold the top cover, and then after that we should be able to disconnect the fingerprint flex cable. Alright, so I have here a new LCD for this model. Let's go ahead and test it before we attach it or before we glue it to the phone. So it's brand new mga tech shop, and it's worth 750 pesos. Touch is working, so we are now ready to glue this new LCD mga tech shop. Let's go ahead and remove the battery. Alright, and let's remove the old LCD. That's the LCD flex cable. Then to remove the LCD, just apply heat on the edges. Alright, and then after that, clean up the glue on the edges of the screen. Remove all the glue, the old glues. And then I'm using Q-tips and alcohol to clean the edges properly. And then so when we apply a new glue, it's gonna hold the LCD. Alright, so after applying glue, we are now ready to attach the new LCD. And I'm just using rubber band and clamps to hold the LCD, and wait for an hour until the glue dries up. Alright. So if you're interested in this kind of video mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos, tutorial videos online, whether it's for mobile phone, Android, iPhone, or tablets, or even laptops mga tech shop. I've uploaded a lot of videos, so you will learn a lot of stuff in my channel. So don't miss to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, let's go.